Hi guys, Ruthie Santana here, Heartbeat Nails. Today I have a quick nail look, and it's going to involve some stamping and some highlighter markers. It's going to be a bright design, and I am just going to go ahead and show you what I'm using. First of all, I have a nail here which I painted with white gel polish, and then I top coated it, and I'm going to be using the stamping plate, and this is Queen Nature Lover number 2, and I'm going to be working with this pattern right here, this pretty flower little spray here. Okay. And that looks pretty good. And I am going to try to show you guys how I line this up. And there we are. Very pretty. Okay, so now I am going to work with some markers. I just want to make this a colorful nail, and then I'm going to come back and I'm going to have some complementary nails. Okay, so I am going to tighten in. Hopefully you guys can see. Okay, so it's pretty dry. Okay, so the thing I like about doing this with markers is you don't have to bother with the whole, you know, the nail polish. And if you go beyond the line or something, you could just take some alcohol on a brush and you wipe it away. It's not a big deal. You don't have to be messing around with acetone and removing the whole design. You don't have to be, you know, I think it's just a lot easier for this particular pattern. It's a lot easier to do something like this than, you know, the traditional way. Alright, so I have to clean that little spot right there. And I want to fix that there because I'm not crazy about how that looks, but I'll fix that a little bit later. Alright, taking my brush, cleaning off that little green there, that little mistake. Okay, so I'm going to let this dry, and then I will be back in a couple of minutes to show you what I'm going to do next. Okay, so I'm just going to very carefully dab it with some of this pretty glitter polish. Just carefully sprinkling it over the pretty flowers and leaves and what have you. And this way, when I top coat, it doesn't have it doesn't drag the black polish, because I'm not sure that that polish will won't drag. And if you make a mistake, of course, you take a little brush with alcohol, and you come around and you clean it up a little bit. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's all a matter of preference. Okay, I'm back, and here's what I came up with. Of course, this is the original nail, and I top coated everything. Okay, and then I will show you the rest of the nails. I'll show you what I used on the rest of them. And this is from Madame Glam, and it is purple pink. Okay, and then the green one, it's sort of translucent with some shimmer. And that was a very UV gel I've had for a very long time, and that's the color on there. I make little swatches on my gels so I can see what I have. And then on that nail, I added stones that complement the colors in the other stones. And let me just show you. I don't think you can get a good look, but they're very pretty. These are some of the stones I used, and as you can see, they reflect different colors. And I got these on AliExpress. Okay, then on this nail right here, oh, and this was Madame Glam white, and it's called Perfect White. Madame Glam, that's what I used on the white one, and you guys know as far as the plate and everything. Okay, then on this one right here, I used Madame Glam OMG Pink. And it's a really bright, pretty pink. And then on the orange one, I used this translucent UV gel. It doesn't have shimmer or glitter on it. I put 3 coats on it, but it was kind of pale. So I came in with some glitter, and I powdered it with glitter, and I love the way it gives a different texture. So everything is a little different, and we have different things to look at that are really interesting, and that's what I came up with. So I hope you guys like them. Please stay tuned. I will be coming back with more videos. And thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being subscribers, and if you have any questions or any comments, please leave them down below. And don't forget to like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit that bell so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Take care, everyone. God bless, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.